Hey teachers, welcome to This or That, a brand new series I cooked up just for busy teachers. Here is the deal. Instead of drowning in a sea of activities and ideas, I'm keeping it simple. I don't know about you, but sometimes I just want someone to tell me what to do without spending hours Googling and overthinking. So in this series, I'll give you 2 solid activity options, and by the end of the video, it's your call which one works best for your class. Or, you can binge watch a bunch of my other videos. No judgment here. So today I've got 2 brand new and unique writing activities perfect for keeping your students engaged and sharpening their writing skills. Let's get into it. First up, future me time capsule letters. Ask your students to write a letter to their future selves 5 or 10 years from now. They can include their dreams, goals, and predictions about the future. You can give them specific categories to write about their future aspirations or goals like personal growth, travel and adventure, health and fitness, relationships, and so on. With this activity, the goal is to practice the future tense, of course, and encourage some personal reflection. Along the way, your students will sharpen their grammar, get creative with their writing, and express themselves in a meaningful way. A bonus idea would be to actually collect the letters and give them or email them back to the students like a year later for a surprise. For the other activity, let's cook up some creativity with recipe 4. Students write a recipe, but instead of food, they describe something abstract, like a recipe for happiness or a recipe for the perfect weekend. It's a fun way to teach sequencing words like first, then, and finally, while also encouraging them to think outside the box. This activity is all about writing step-by-step instructions, but, with a fun twist. Your students will practice organizing their ideas, using descriptive language, and mastering sequencing skills. So, which activity do you think fits your class best? Time capsule letters or recipe 4? Let me know in the comments below. I hope I saved you some time today, but if not, no worries. Go binge my other writing videos for inspo. If you're hunting for extra writing worksheets or activities, check out my TPT store. You might just find the perfect thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.